Hi, I'm Michelle from Great Ocean Properties and welcome to 10 Lawrencia Way in Anglesea. This beautifully presented home offers the perfect opportunity to settle straight into a relaxed coastal lifestyle. In addition to the single level design and low maintenance level allotment, you can leave your car parked securely in the generous garage, and it's only a short walk to all that Anglesea has to offer. This thoughtfully designed 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is only 5 years old and features day-conducted central heating and cooling, ensuring year-round comfort at the press of a button. Here we are in the heart of the home. Take a look around at this spacious open-plan living, a wonderfully light-filled space, very comfortable for everyday living as well as for relaxed entertaining. Both the ensuite and central bathroom feature quality tiling and oversized showers, while the freestanding bathtub and separate toilet offer the practical for everyday family-friendly usage in a stylish, relaxing environment. The Anglesea River, walking tracks and parklands are all on your doorstep, right at the end of your street. For more information, contact me, Michelle McDonald, or Marty Ma on the following numbers. We'd love to help.